Hello viewers, I'm Advocate K.R. Rawat from Lexis and Company. Today we're gonna talk about domestic violence against women in India. So, starting from the introduction part, domestic violence against women is not a new concept in society. It means intimate partner violence which include physical, verbal, sexual, economic abuse. According to the World Health Organization, every 3 women experienced physical and sexual violence in their lifetime. So, and 30% of women experience physical and sexual violence for their partners. So, this is what domestic violence is all about. It includes all type of violence, including the physical violence, sexual violence by their partners. No, now I would like to tell you about types of domestic violence. So, number one, physical violence. It means that the perpetrator use force against the victim, which causes injury and hurt. The general definition of physical violence is that an act or conduct causing body pain, harm, or danger to the life of that particular person, to take drugs or alcohol, deny medical care by their husband. According to the World Health Organization, 38% of females are murdered by their intimate partners during their pregnancy. So women are forcing a lot by physical violence in India. So this is one type of domestic violence. Now talking about another type of domestic violence, here I'll go with emotional abuse. Now what is emotional abuse? According to the Istanbul Convention, psychological violence means the intentional conduct of seriously impairing a person's psychological integrity through coercion or threat. It includes threats, criticism, separation, public modification, steady personal devaluation, controlling behavior, harassment, verbal abuse, etc. So this is emotional abuse where no physical violence is included. Now coming back to the third one, it's sexual assault. According to the World Health Organization, it means a sexual act to attempt or obtain a sexual act by forcefully, like without the will of the second person. So this is a sexual assault. Now, what are the consequences of domestic violence? Many consequences of domestic violence affect the mental health of the victim. Physical effect like broken bones, head injuries, internal bleeding, bruises, required medical care. Pregnant women who are victim of domestic violence has experienced a more significant risk of miscarriage, death of the fetus, preterm labor pain, etc. So these are the consequences of domestic violence. Hope you are clear with the concept of the domestic violence. In my next video, I'm gonna talk about the Domestic Violence Act 2005. So till then, take care of yourself. I'll see you soon in my next video with another good vlog.